Hey folks, welcome to Irish Outlaw Garage. I've been busy working on all my vehicles because, I can't seem to get enough. So, sitting here working on old Artemis, getting him a fuel cell put in, or actually a fuel tank, I guess. But I'm over here and I'm sitting here painting on my new fuel tank right here. And out of nowhere I hear, "Dad, you gotta see this. By the way, I love you more than anything in the world." And then I walk over and something I cannot believe happened. So we've been trying to clean the grime and crap off of this car since we got it. This is our 84 GT 350 Mustang. And it sat under a gutter for a long time and then sat under trees before we could get it. And it got this black, like, filmy crap. And we've tried everything. I've tried wax. I've tried everything to get this off of here. So has Skylar. So out of the blue, he's just wanting to get some, bird crap off of it. Just, and he grabs my Super Clean, and watch this. It's coming right off. Are you kidding? This whole time we've been fighting this thing for like 2 years, and he pulls out the Super Clean, and it's getting all the nasty grime off of this white car. Of course, the car still looks terrible, but it's better than it was. And I mean, what's that got to say for Super Clean? So yeah, wow, this ain't for sponsorship. It ain't. I don't get anything from them. I just want to tell them thank you for putting this product out, because we had no idea. None. I mean, wow. Good job, Super Clean.